Hi everyone, welcome to Wellness Munch. Today we thought let's discuss about the most powerful drink which can improve your liver health very quickly. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Why liver needs a special care? You know, liver is the most largest organ in your body, right? And it is responsible for more than 500 biochemical reactions, starting from bile production to bile excretion of bilirubin, cholesterol or other hormones and drugs, metabolism of fats, carbohydrate, protein, or enzyme activations, or storage of glycogen, minerals, vitamins, synthesis of plasma protein such albumin, and then clotting factors, blood detoxification and purification. There are endless functions that liver is doing for us on every single day. When we call it's a damaged liver, what do we mean? It might be inflammation like hepatitis, or it might be cirrhosis of liver, fatty liver, or blockage in the bile duct or bile production. So these are the common liver related problems that people suffer with. There is a magic drink which can actually fix all your liver related problem and improve your liver health to many folds. What is it? Yes, it is your own desi sugarcane juice or ganne ka ras. You might not have given so much of attention so far to this street side available juice. It is the best juice for your liver health. So how sugarcane juice actually helps to protect your liver health? Number one, it helps to remove the toxin. Sugarcane juice is very rich in antioxidant and vitamin C. So it stimulates production of liver and bile detoxification enzyme and improve cleansing of the liver. So that's why it is very important for removal of toxin from liver. Apart from that, sugarcane juice is also alkaline in nature. It is very rich in magnesium, potassium, calcium, manganese, this kind of minerals. It helps to improve the pH balance. Secondly, it helps to replenish and revitalize your liver. Now, sugarcane juice is extremely nutritious. It has carbohydrate, protein, little bit of fat, full of micronutrients, vitamins, minerals. So whenever you have a glass of sugarcane juice, it actually revitalize and replenish all the deficiencies that your body had immediately. It acts like an instant energizer. So it maintains body fluid as well. Whenever in summer you are dehydrated and you are thinking of what to drink, you should definitely go for drinking a glass of sugarcane juice. It will improve your electrolyte balance. It will maintain the normal fluid balance in your body. Apart from that, it also eases digestion. Liver is a site where most of the digestion and digestive enzymes are getting activated. So whenever you have sugarcane juice, since it is very rich in potassium, it enables the secretion of digestive juices in the stomach. It also prevents a stomach infection. It speeds up the healing process. There are many times when we hurt our liver. So that kind of healing process gets accelerated if you have sugarcane juice on a daily basis. Now, is sugarcane juice is only important for your liver health? No, it is not. It has multiple other benefits. For example, firstly, it acts as a diuretic. It also prevents sexually transmitted diseases and urinary tract infections. So STDs and UTIs are also get prevented by a regular consumption of sugarcane juice. Already I have mentioned it is instant energy drink, and it is also very, very effective against cancer. Now why? Because it helps to maintain the pH. Whenever your pH is in balance, cancer cells cannot actually survive alkaline pH environment. So it is very effective against cancer, and it is also very, very helpful to relieve your constipation. It is a common agent for purification, detoxification. It helps to detoxify your liver, so it also gives you glowing, radiant skin. And at the end, it also prevents to tooth decay or any kind of bad breath. Now, why? Chewing the sugarcane is pretty much a task, right? So whenever you chew the sugarcane on your own, it promotes a lot of saliva secretion, which in turn wash your entire oral cavity and helps to protect from tooth decay and bad breath. Now, the question is, how can you make sugarcane juice? I'm not really a very fan of roadside sugarcane juice. The only problem is the water quality and the hygiene. So the best thing what you can do, you can buy the sugarcane from the peeled one from those vendors, and you can make the juice at home. Just put them in a mixer and turn it on. It will extract the juice. Then you just strain the juice. You can add a little bit of ginger, rock salt, black pepper, mint leaf, ice cubes, and your summer coolant is all ready. You might ask me, how about the processed sugarcane juice? The bottled sugarcane juice is also available these days in the supermarket, right? So how about that? If you're hearing me for quite a few times, you know I'm not a fan of processed food in any ways. And same with this bottled sugarcane juice. Generally what happens, sugarcane juice gets fermented very quickly. Immediately after extraction of juice, within 15 to 20 minutes or half an hour, it starts getting fermented and then it becomes toxic. So the bottled sugarcane juice, those whoever are selling it, they need to add some kind of preservatives or some kind of processing to keep the juice intact and increase the shelf life. And there is my problem. I always prefer the fresh one. So I will rather suggest buy the sugarcane, as I've mentioned, from the vendor and make your own juice. Now, how much of sugarcane juice is enough or safe to consume, right? Having sugarcane juice 3 to 4 times a week is perfectly fine. If you're somebody who is having any kind of liver disease, like you're struggling with hepatitis or maybe cirrhosis of liver or fatty liver or any kind of liver related problem, or maybe your recent LFT, the liver function test, is not that great, you might consider having sugarcane juice every single day, maybe once or even twice, okay, but depending on other factors, other blood parameters. Now you may ask me, how about a diabetic patient? Can a diabetic patient have sugarcane juice? Because the name itself has sugar, and sugar is something which doesn't get along with diabetes, right? Sugarcane juice is completely safe for diabetic patient. Surprised or shocked? Okay. Why? Because see, sugarcane juice is the natural sugar. It's the sucrose. And this juice gets processed in the liver, not in the intestine. So it actually gives quite a steady insulin response. It is lower on glycemic index as well compared to refined sugar. So you can very well accommodate sugarcane juice in your diet even if you are diabetic. Now, how you can accommodate it? Do not have it as a part of a meal, but rather have it in between 2 meals. Then it becomes much safer. Now, how much you can have if you are a diabetic? You may have a glass or 2 of sugarcane juice in a week. That is absolutely fine. What you need to watch for when you are having it, how you're placing your meal around, and what is the total carbohydrate and sugar consumption in the day. Is everything is so great about sugarcane juice? Not really. There are a couple of side effects also. First of all, always remember sugarcane juice has fair amount of calorie, okay? So whatever you do, even though it is a natural one, you cannot overboard with sugarcane juice, okay? Moderation is the key, even in the case of sugarcane juice. Every food is great when you are taking it in moderation. The moment you are doing something excess, it becomes bad, right? Apart from that, sugarcane juice actually contain a compound which is called polycosanol, okay? Now this polycosanol compounds are generally, it may create headache or spinning of head or insomnia for some. So if you feel some kind of discomfort after having sugarcane juice, maybe it is not for you. I have already mentioned sugarcane juice become toxic very quickly. Within 15 to 20 minutes or half an hour, it starts fermenting. So make sure you have freshly squeezed sugarcane juice. This summer, please feel free to have sugarcane juice, maybe coconut water and lemon water instead of soft drinks. Make a smart choice and you will see what kind of a huge difference you're already making. If you like this video, feel free to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, share it with your friends, and please show some love in your comment section. Stay happily healthy. Bye.